guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of these onesies that I got recently for my toddler here on Amazon. My toddler is going to be 2 really soon, 2 years old, and we got the size 24 months, and these are perfect for her. I still has a little bit of room, which is good. She's gonna be able to use them for a while. Before this one from Carter, we were using the Gerber brand, which I also love, and they have really good quality clothes. But for onesies, I feel like these are so much better. It's more lightweight. I like using these onesies underneath other clothes, PJs, so I like to have something that is more lightweight for my baby, and that's the case with these. The fabric is very soft. This is cotton. You can kind of see up close. Like I said, it's not super thick. It's more to the thinner side, but not super thin. You know, you can see that the quality is there. It also stretches a little bit, which is good, so your baby can wear this for a longer time. Fits my toddler very, very well. I just love it. Very good quality, and if you're thinking about buying these to wear underneath other clothes, like a second layer, these are perfect.